So that's hello everyone, good evening everyone, and welcome to tonight's AMA session on harvesting innovation, exploring the next generation of Bitcoin mining. And today, guys, we are very thrilled to have two esteemed guests with us. So we have Mr. Logan Lee, the CEO of BitHarvest, and Mr. Lenni Herlin, the CTO of BitHarvest. So, guys, the two guests will be and Mr. Lenni Herlin, the CTO of BitHarvest. So, guys, the two guests will be joining us for today. And before we dive into the discussion, let us outline the format of our AMA for tonight. So, guys, for everyone's knowledge, we will begin with a quick introduction from our guests, followed by a series of discussion questions. Each topic will be allocated approximately 10 minutes, allowing for about 5 minutes per speaker. Okay, guys, so we will also conclude with a Q&A session wherein we will address some questions from the audience. So let us start with our introduction for today, guys. So, hi, Mr. Logan. Can you tell us a bit about BitHarvest and your role in the company?
Hi there. All right, thank you. So at BitHarvest, we are at the forefront of innovation in Bitcoin mining. Innovation in Bitcoin mining. So as the CEO, I lead the strategic direction, ensuring we stay on the cutting edge of mining technology. So we are committed to make Bitcoin mining both more efficient and environmental friendly.
Thank you very much for that wonderful introduction, Mr. Logan. And now let's hear from Mr. Lenny. So, Mr. Lenny, can you introduce yourself and also explain your role at BitHarvest?
Sure, Caitlin, thanks. Honestly, as the CTO of BitHarvest, I lead our technological advancements and oversee the implementations of our innovation solutions. My focus is on enhancing mining efficiency and sustainability through cutting-edge technologies.
Environmental sustainability. So, Mr. Lenny, let us hear from you. So, with the increasing focus on environmental sustainability, how do you envision the future of Bitcoin mining in terms of energy consumption and the environmental impact?
Caitlin, given the global push towards sustainability, we anticipate a significant transformation in Bitcoin mining to align with environmental goals. And the future of Bitcoin mining will likely see widespread adoption of energy efficient technologies and a shift towards renewable energy sources. We envision a landscape where advancement mining rigs utilize less energy and innovative cooling solutions, such as, I'll say, immersion cooling becoming standard practice. And on a macro scale, industry-wide regulations may emerge to enforce sustainable practices, and collaborations with renewable energy providers will become essential. So at BitHarvest, we are leveraging machine learning algorithms to optimize the mining process, ensuring mining rigs produce maximum output with the same amount of energy. And additionally, our collaboration with mining farm partners ensures that significant portion of the energy consumption comes from sustainable sources.
Thank you very much for that, Mr. Lenny. So now let's hear from Mr. Logan for my next question. So, Mr. Logan, can you tell us how do you see the role of energy in the future of Bitcoin mining? And also, most importantly, can you enlighten us on some of the steps that the BitHarvest is taking in order to integrate renewable energy sources?
Okay. I would say, given the critical role of renewable energy in achieving sustainability, I strongly think that renewable energy will be fundamental to the future of Bitcoin mining. So at BitHarvest, we recognize the importance of integrating renewable energy sources to power our mining operation. Hence, right now, we are actively partnering with many mining farms that have already implemented things such as solar, wind, and hydroelectrical power. So to ensure that a substantial portion of our energy needs is met through clean energy. So this strategic move not only reduces our carbon footprint, but also sets a benchmark for the whole industry itself.
Thank you so much once again for that, Mr. Logan. All right, so now on to our next question. Okay, so can you explain to us how BitHarvest is addressing the environmental concerns associated, of course, with Bitcoin mining?
Okay, I would say that addressing this environmental concern is paramount for BitHarvest. So we know that the traditional mining operation can be energy intensive. And this is a reason why our product feature energy efficient hardware that runs a form of algorithm to optimize mining rig efficiency and reduces the energy consumption itself. So aside from all this, those mining farms that utilize our BitHash protocol have reported increased Bitcoin output with minimal energy consumption. And this is why we are very proud of BitHarvest. And lastly, we plan to actually participate in carbon offset programs and invest in reforestation projects to counterbalance our emissions. So we aim to lead this industry in a sustainability and set an example for others to follow.
That is very wonderful. Thank you so much once again for that. So now moving on to our next topic. So now let's move forward with technological innovation. So, hi Lenny, can you discuss us the technological innovations that BitHarvest is implementing to enhance mining efficiency as well as sustainability?
Yeah, Caitlin, technological innovation is at the heart of BitHarvest strategy. So we are deploying cutting-edge algorithms designed for both high performance and energy efficiency because we recognize the importance of hashing efficiency. And we are also developing hash filtering and aggregation strategies which significantly enhance the lifespan of the mining rigs. So furthermore, our use of machine learning and AI enables us to optimize mining operations dynamically, allowing our protocol to predict and address hashing probabilities to increase the lucky value. So these innovations not only improve our operational efficiency, but also contribute to our sustainability goals.
Very wonderful, Mr. Lenny. Thank you so much for that detailed answer. So now another question, right? So moving on to another topic. How do you guys perceive the future of Bitcoin mining evolving in terms of incentives for mining pools? And also, will there be an increase in incentives or will other models become more prevalent?
Well, Caitlin, the future of Bitcoin mining is likely to see significant changes in terms of incentives. Currently, we are seeing the emergence of hash rate marketplaces, and such as NiceHash, which allow miners to rent out their hash power to the highest bidder. So this model provides flexibility and allows miners to maximize their profits based on current market position. So additionally, it creates a more dynamic and competitive environment for mining pools. At BitHarvest, we are innovating in this space with our BitBooster product. Users can purchase BitBooster, which allocates hash rate from our pattern mining farms and provide BitHash protocol to increase the efficiency for their mining rigs. So this model not only provides miners with increased mining power, but also ensures that our users benefits from the increased efficiency Bitcoin output. So by offering such products, we aim to provide additional value and incentives to our users and also mining farms, just ensuring that they can stay competitive and profitable in evolving market.
Thank you once again for that, Mr. Lenny. And now we've talked about the future of Bitcoin mining, right? Now, on to the opposite end. Let's talk about the challenges of Bitcoin mining. So, guys, what do you think is the biggest challenge facing Bitcoin mining today?
Okay. I would say there's a lot of challenges, but one of the biggest challenges in Bitcoin mining, I feel today, is the efficiency of the mining farms. So as we approach the next Bitcoin halving, the difficulty of mining actually increases, which means that miners have to actually work harder for fewer rewards. So this can actually lead to a situation where the Bitcoin output doesn't cover the power consumption costs, making mining operations financially unsustainable. So for example, many mining farms in regions with high electricity costs struggle to even break even. This is particularly challenging in places where energy prices actually fluctuate, causing unpredictable operational expenses. Furthermore, outdated hardware that isn't energy efficient worsen this problem as it leads to a higher operational cost and reduced stability. So another significant challenge I would say is the regulatory environment. So as the government around the world begin to actually implement stricter regulation on cryptocurrency mining, compliance costs and operational restriction can hinder the growth and sustainability of mining operation. So in BitHarvest itself, we tackle these challenges head on with our core chip product, BitBooster. So this innovative product can actually empower miners to leverage allocated hashing power from our partner mining farms. Hence, these farms actually utilize the latest energy efficient hardware and are powered by our renewable sources. BitBooster doesn't just boost mining power, it actually guarantees profit and sustainable operations even in the face of rising difficulty and evolving regulations. So by leveraging cutting-edge technology and a commitment to clean energy, BitHarvest provides a future-proof solution for Bitcoin mining.
Very wonderful, Mr. Logan. Thank you so much for that. So now on to our next question. So let's now dive into what sets BitHarvest apart in the competitive landscape of Bitcoin mining. So Mr. Logan, can you start by explaining to us what makes BitBooster technology very unique?
Absolutely. So, BitBooster actually leverages proprietary technology that, according to our data itself, has increased mining rig efficiency by 100 to 300%. So this significant boost is achieved through advanced algorithm and optimization techniques. So even after the Bitcoin halving event in last April, which traditionally decreases mining rewards, our technology actually ensures robust daily Bitcoin output. So this performance boost is a testament to our cutting-edge innovations itself.
Once again, a very amazing answer. Thank you so much, Mr. Logan. So now, can you mention to us or can you introduce to us who are the mining farm partners of you guys?
Okay, so for mining farm partners, right? For example, the partnerships is very crucial to this industry itself. So my current role itself to involve seeking out and managing relationship with mining farms. So many of these partners prefer to keep their information confidential due to privacy reasons or security concerns. So regardless how big or how small is their scale. So to give you some details, we require our partners to meet two key criteria. So firstly, a significant portion of their energy consumption must come from green energy sources. And they must comply with local government policies. So these two actually ensures that our operations are both sustainable and compliant with regulations.
Thank you very much, Azelos, Mr. Logan, and I totally agree with you how important partnerships are, right, in this industry. And once again, thank you so much for the great answer. All right, so now on to our next topic. So, can you guys give us an overview of BitBooster's market share in the Bitcoin mining industry? And also, most importantly, guys, can you share to us what is your vision for its growth?
Caitlin, currently the total market share of Bitcoin mining is around 600 each EHS, so which translates to 60 billion TH. So our technology is not yet utilized by even 1% of the total hash rate, but we are confident we can reach a 90% of market share within the next 3 years, I believe. Yeah. So, for example, when merge mining was first introduced, which is to protocols simultaneously mining two or more cryptocurrencies, many miners were skeptical. Now, almost 90% of Bitcoin miners use it. So, similarly, with a clear incentives provided by BitBooster, such as increased Bitcoin output, we believe our technology will soon be adopted industry-wide.
Very wonderful. So your three-win model sounds very interesting. It benefits the mining farms, BitHarvest, and the community as well. So on to our next question, guys. Can you explain the community's role in BitHarvest ecosystem and what are your strategy for expanding it?
All right. Yes, our three-win business model actually empowers mining farms, allow the community to participate in Bitcoin booster mining, and position my company BitHarvest as the connecting platform. So this community plays a vital role by purchasing BitBooster, thus empowering the mining farms itself. So since our launch in March 2024, we have built a global community in over more than 20 countries. So to maintain this dynamic community, we hold regular Zoom calls for updates, and our marketing team actually travel all around the world to meet members face to face. This interaction actually ensure alignment with our vision and mission to benefit the hundreds of millions of people around the world with blockchain technology. Coming soon, we also have a grand event, the BitHarvest Takeoff Global Launch event, happening on the July 16, where we'll introduce BitBooster, showcase our achievements, and share our long-term roadmap together. And during this event, our attendees will get the first-hand information of our next steps.
Once again, that is very great to hear, Mr. Logan. All right, so could you share us some of the real-life examples of successful community development and your strategy for increasing brand exposure?
Certainly. So our global launch convention is a key strategy for brand exposure to attract industry attention. So other than that, we are also having many invitations from the Expo organization. We are selecting the best one and actively sponsoring them. So this type of exposure actually enables us to network with more industry experts and deal with potential partnerships. In addition, let me give you a sneak peek to y'all. After our global launch convention, we are planning to travel around the world and host local roundtable discussion with the local community. So not only between BitHarvest and BitHarvest community, we are also connecting several industry experts who are in the mining field, in Web3 ecosystem, or in the decentralized finance system. We are getting the giga brains from the field to join us and discuss the future of Bitcoin, blockchain, and BitHarvest. And this is how we could take this project to another level.
Very fantastic. Thank you so much for those very amazing answers you guys provided us with. But like I've mentioned earlier, we will gonna be concluding with a Q&A session. So are you guys ready to answer some questions still?
Yes.
Sure.
Okay, so on to our first question for Q&A. So the first question here, guys, is how do we participate in BitHarvest Bitcoin booster mining?
All right, this is very simple. Just go to client.bitharvest.io, register an account, and deposit USDT to purchase the BitBooster. As simple as this.
Thank you very much for that. All right, so another question here is asking, what is the Bitcoin mining output?
Yeah, Caitlin. So first of all, each bit booster is allocated 70 TH. So the Bitcoin mining output depends on the boosting efficiency, which we have observed to be between 100% to 300%. So for example, if the boosting rate is at 150% today, then you will receive 70 TH times 1.5 Bitcoin mining output.
That is very cool. So, guys, can you elaborate more on how does the Bit Booster achieve this? Can you explain more about your BitHash protocol?
Yeah, Caitlin, the BitHash protocol is an AI-powered calculation designed to solve mathematically problems. So Bitcoin operates on a proof of work mechanism, meaning the mining rig has to contribute hash power to solve puzzles. As every 4 years the halving happens, the Bitcoin puzzle's difficulty doubles, so making it harder for the machine to solve. So the BitHash protocol aggregates previous blocks, filters out invalid blocks, and collects data to predict the correct path of the machine, which we will call hash optimization. So all these steps are built in, so there is no need for users to perform these tasks. Our bit boosters handles it at all.
Oh, so when we purchase a bit booster, do we receive and install it at home in order to earn Bitcoin?
No, Caitlin, there is no need to install anything. Once you purchase a bit booster, it starts the boosting mining activities managed by BitHarvest. So every bit booster is custodized by us, and you can receive your proportion of Bitcoin through your user interface.
Cool. So I've actually registered and looked around your website. Can you tell us what is your token BTH for, and do I need it in order to activate Bit Booster?
Yes, Caitlin. The BTH token is our BitHarvest native token and will play a crucial part in our upcoming phases. So currently, we can only purchase it OTC on our platform. Soon, we will deploy it on chain and make it available to the public market. So yes, you will need $100 equivalent value of BTH to activate a bit booster. So the price is 900 USDT plus $100 equivalent value of BTH. So keep in mind that the BTH used for activation is burned, meaning our total supply decreases every time bit booster is purchased.
Oh, we got that. So the price of token always fluctuates, right? So this the $100 value of BTH, it will be different every time. So does this mean I need to accumulate more BTH for convenience?
Caitlin, somewhat I encourage you to accumulate. However, our team anticipated this issue. Recently, we introduced a new function like a click purchase of BTH when you buy a bit booster. So this means you only need to ensure you have $100 in your USDT wallet, and the system will automatically purchase the BTH for you and activate the bit booster without worrying about price fluctuations.
That is very great, Mr. Lenny. I will definitely try out that function.
We are excited for you to try it.
Okay, so before we go to another Q&A session, let us talk about the market first. So what do you think, guys, will drive Bitcoin to the bull market?
Wow, I think that's a very good question, Evan. Maybe Lenny, you want to take this?
Sure, Logan. Several factors could drive BTC to a bull market. First, the increasing institutional adoption of Bitcoin is a major factor. So institutions like MicroStrategy, Tesla, and various hedge funds have already invested heavily in Bitcoin, and continued institutional interest could drive prices higher. Additionally, the growing acceptance of the Bitcoin as a legitimate asset class by regulatory bodies and financial institutions is likely to boost investors' confidence. Secondly, macroeconomic factors such as inflation and the weakening of fiat currencies can drive more investors to view Bitcoin as a hedge against economic uncertainty. So, for instance, with rising inflation, more people might turn to Bitcoin as a store of value. And lastly, advancements in technology and infrastructure, such as the Lightning Network for faster transactions and improvements in scalability, will make Bitcoin more accessible and efficient, attracting more users and investors as well.
Thank you for that, Mr. Lenny. So another important question that we wanted to ask is, what role do you think global regulations will play in Bitcoin's next bull market?
Caitlin, global regulations will play a crucial role. Clear and favorable regulatory frameworks can significantly boost market confidence. For example, countries that provide clear guidelines for Bitcoin use and mining will likely see an increase in adoption. And conversely, strict regulations or outright bans could hinder the growth. So additionally, regulatory clarity can attract more institutional investors who need to comply with legal requirements. So for instance, the US Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, which we say, has been working towards clearer guidelines, which might encourage more institutional participation in the Bitcoin market.
Thank you, Mr. Lenny, for that. So, another question is, how important is technological advancement in driving the next bull market?
Um, Technological advancement is vital for the next bull market, as we believe. Innovations such as the Lightning Network, which enables faster and cheaper transactions, are essential for broader adoption. Additionally, advancements in blockchain technology that improve sustainability and security will make Bitcoin more appealing to both retail and institutional investors. So, moreover, the integration of Bitcoin with the financial technologies and platform can drive adoptions. For instance, PayPal and Square have enabled Bitcoin transactions, making it easier for everyday users to buy and sell Bitcoin. So these integrations make Bitcoin more accessible, driving up a demand and potentially leading to a bull market.
I agree with that, Mr. Lenny. Thank you so much for that. So, what impact does market sentiment and media coverage have on Bitcoin's price movement?
So, Caitlin, market sentiment and media coverage have significant impact on Bitcoin's price. So, positive news such as large companies adopting Bitcoin or favorable regulatory developments can drive bullish sentiment and increase demands. So, for instance, when Tesla announced its investment in Bitcoin, the prices surged significantly. So, on the other hand, negative news or fear, we can say, uncertainty and doubt can lead to price drops. For example, regulatory crackdowns in major markets or security breaches in exchanges can negatively affect investors' confidence and drive prices down. So, therefore, media coverage and public perception play a crucial role in Bitcoin market dynamics.
Thank you for that, Mr. Lenny. So, do you guys think that the current Bitcoin halving will influence the market?
Yes, definitely. The current Bitcoin halving is likely to have a significant influence on the current market. So right now, the price is consolidated around 60 to 70,000 range. So we are likely to see this breakthrough with some major Bitcoin and cryptocurrency adoption. So in addition, historically, Bitcoin halving have led to a substantial price increase due to the reduced supply of new Bitcoin entering the market. Hence, this halving reduces the block reward from 6.25 BTC to 3.125 BTC, further limiting the supply. So this reduction in supply coupled with increasing demand can create a supply-demand imbalance, driving prices much higher. So additionally, as mining reward decreases, miners may have to hold on to their Bitcoin, reducing the available supply in the market, further contributing to upward price pressure.
Thank you very much. And just one more question before we go to the actual Q&A session from our audience. So as we know, it's currently a meme coin season in the crypto space. I think we can see it around the crypto space. So do you guys hold any meme coins? And which meme coin project do you think will skyrocket?
Well, Caitlin, I have some Dogecoins that's been in my wallet for a long while. So I got it because of a friend, and currently I have heard about meme coins like Peep, so which the price is driving crazy. Nevertheless, meme coins bring a lot of dynamics into the crypto space, and maybe soon they could even be future of currency. Imagine buying a Coca-Cola or pizza with Peep. So it's a fun concept. But our main focus remains on Bitcoin. Bitcoin has proven technology, proven results, and it has been adopted by institutions and governments like El Salvador. And if we can establish a blood generation in Bitcoin, why altcoins? So yeah.
Thank you very much, Mr. Logan and Mr. Lenni, for all of your insightful predictions that you shared to us. Now let's open the floor to have some questions from our audience. So, hello, Sunrise Venture Capital community. So, basically, we will allow you guys to type in your questions, and I think we can give like a fair 2 minutes for them. Is that okay for you guys? Let's wait for them to type their questions for 2 minutes, and then we will be selecting through them for you guys to answer. Is that okay?
Yes,
Oh, yeah, sure.
that's totally fine.
Okay, so once again, guys, the floor is yours, guys. Do type in your questions. So once again, while we're waiting for our 2 minute timer, I highly invite everyone over to the Telegram community of BitHarvest. Do give them a follow on their official Twitter account as well to not miss any important updates about BitHarvest. And also, guys, do your own research. We have all of their links, their Telegram, their website, their Twitter. They also have an Instagram and a Facebook account, I think. So once again, all of these links are already shared to our Telegram community for your own convenience, guys. So check everything out in there. Join their Telegram community and give them a follow, guys. Okay, so let's wait for like another more minute. Then we will take the first question. Okay.
Sure.
Okay, guys. I think we already gave the community enough time to type in their questions. So are you guys ready to answer the first one?
Yes, we are.
Okay. So first question: how does the Bit Booster's boosting efficiency fluctuate, and what factors influence it?
Caitlin, excuse me. So the boosting efficiency of BitBooster can fluctuate based on several factors, including network difficulty, the performance of AI algorithms, and the overall computational power available. So these factors combined determine how effectively the BitBooster can enhance mining output.
Thank you for that, Mr. Lenny. And now on to our second question. Let's see what do we got here. Okay, so what are the security measures in place in order to protect the BitHarvest platform as well as its users' investments?
BitHarvest employs multiple layers of security, including advancement encryption protocols, regular securities updates, and real-time monitoring of mining activities. Additionally, the locations of our booster rooms are ensured and secured with armed guards to ensure the physical security of the BitBooster hardware.
That is very great. Now moving forward to our next question. What are the future plans for BitHarvest in terms of expanding its booster mining operations and integrating new technologies?
All right, so BitHarvest plans to continue to expand its booster mining operations by partnering with more mining farms who seeks to actually decrease the operational costs. So our goal is to actually empower the industry and provide sustainable and efficient booster mining solutions to our partner mining farms and to our users.
Thank Thank you so much once again, Sunrise Venture Capital, for all of your questions. And this has been a very fantastic session. And I want to extend our gratitude. We want to thank you, guys, our guest, Mr. Logan Lee, and Mr. Lenni Herlin, for sharing their expertise and enlightening us all about the things that this AMA covers. So we hope, guys, that you found this discussion very informative and engaging. And of course, until next time, stay innovative, guys, and keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible in Bitcoin mining. Have a very great night, guys.
Thank you, Kathleen. Thank you for having us.
Thank you, Caroline. Thank you.
Pleasure is ours, guys. Have a very great day. Bye bye.
Have a good one. Bye.
Right. Bye.